Yes, students, welcome to this strategic management lecture video. So now what we are going to discuss is the second section, social responsibility. In previous video, what we have discussed is what is meant by corporate governance, who are all responsible for the corporate governance. Now what we are going to discuss is what is meant by social responsibility or corporate social responsibility. Both are same, social responsibility or corporate social responsibility, CSR. So the name social responsibility itself, we can understand what is the responsibility of the company towards the society. Social is nothing but here the mentioned has society. How individual as well as company showing the better interest to the welfare of the society, showing their interest to the development of the society. Why this social responsibility are very important means we are inviting the community into our business. That means we are playing our business in the society only. So for that we have to give back some good experiences towards the society for the positive light for their development. So social responsibility means what we have contributed, what we have showing our interest towards the development of the society. So the meaning of social responsibility is the individual and companies having a duty to act in the best interest of their environment as well as society as a whole. What as a company, as an individual, what we have contributed for the development as well as interest for the society. Interest for the society. There are four types of corporate social responsibility are there. Four types of CSR activities. The first type is philanthropy, and the second type is environmental conservation, and the third type is diversity and labor practices, and the last one is volunteerism. First one is philanthropy, and second one is environmental conservation, and third one is diversity and labor practices, and the last one is volunteerism. So in this four aspects, in this four category, a company or a individual can act or can show the interest for the development of environment as well as society. First we will discuss about what is mean by philanthropy and what are all the philanthropic efforts towards the social responsibility. The meaning of philanthropy is nothing but giving something in the name of money or in the name of idea or in the name of information or in the name of any physical things. So philanthropy refers to the charitable acts or any other good works that help others or a society. It includes of donating of money, or it includes of any time, or it includes of any forms of altruism, or it includes any form of giving informations or giving idea or whatever it is for promote the welfare of others, for promote the welfare of humanitarian, for promote their our things for fundraising activities, whatever. When you are doing any work, any good work that help others as well as society as a whole, then it is known as a philanthropy. Then it is known as a philanthropic efforts, right? So how this philanthropic efforts is one of the corporate social responsibility means a largest companies in the world are doing this philanthropic efforts, donating of money or sharing of business technology with the society. Lot of things happening. For example, When you are talking about the international examples, you can take Microsoft, that Bill Gates having a foundation. The name of the foundation is Bill and Melinda Gates Foundation. That they are donating a lot of money for the development of the society. Why they are doing is they are doing the business. They are getting the revenue from the customers, revenue from the society, profit from the society, so that they are giving back that amount, or giving the back that whatever it is for the welfare of the society. We are doing business in society, we are earning profit with the help of society, so that we have to give back something for that welfare. So what they are doing is they are giving amount, they are sharing the technology to the underdeveloping of countries. They are transferring the technology from one generation to the another generation with the cheapest cost for the capable of understanding for the using of technology and improving of technology. In recent days, that Bill and Melinda Gates Foundation as a given more than 1,000 crores of rupees for their coronavirus medicine preparation. Likewise, a lot of companies are doing there. For example, in Tamil Nadu, we can take Sakti Meshala. They are doing what is that, providing job opportunities to the disabled women. That is also a social responsibility. You can take actor Surya having Agaram Foundation, providing education to the poor people. That is also a philanthropic effects. So philanthropy is not only giving of money, giving of education, giving of idea, uh, doing any other good works without expecting any revenue, then all are coming under the philanthropic efforts. Likewise, a lot of companies are having Tata group of companies also doing this a lot of works by providing free electricity, by constructing buildings to their villages. A lot of companies doing this kind of philanthropic efforts for the well-being of the society. That is what the first point, first type of social responsibility. And the second type of social responsibility is environmental conservation. So we are all doing the business in the society. What we have to do is we have to take care of our environment, whether it is a long term problem, global climate change, toxic chemical spill. We are using lot of chemicals. That chemicals may mix it with the water or mixed with the air. It spoils our environment. So we are all doing our business in that create a lot of pollution for the society. So the same companies have to take care of the environmental also. That is what the second type of social responsibility is, environmental conservation. So major corporation or get most of the attention for that environmental commitments. For example, General Mills are committed 28 percentage of reduction in their greenhouse gas emission. There are plenty of opportunities for having the small scale as well as the mid-sized business units as well. Recycling, what is that, in Tirupur we can take a lot of dyeing factories are there. So it is made compulsion and to having the recycling unit in that dyeing factory itself. Plenty of green cleaning alternatives, green cleaning activities are taking care by lot of companies in that modern scenario. So it is the responsible of all companies to take care of the environment. Otherwise, that global climate change is a major problem for our business as well as for the living organism also. And the third one is diversity and labor practices, company diversity as well as companies labor practices. Business leaders, business owners realized that diversity in workplace only bringing a beneficial to everyone. Everyone means individual employees as well as organization also. Business owners or business leaders realized that diversity is one in a workplace is only beneficial to everyone. Work as a team, not work as a individual, work as a team. Apply labor policies to all employees, even though from the lowest level to the highest level. Apply all the, when there is a labor policy, it is applicable for the lower level management as well as applicable for the higher level management. Increase teamwork. When there is having any diversity in the workplace, means immediately need the attention and giving the consistent action then and there. And also the business leader have to review the diversity policies as well as the protocol to address any complaints as well as violations. So this is what the third type of social responsibility. And the last one is supporting volunteer effect. Supporting a volunteer effect means there are a lot of volunteer activities in happening in their society. Planting of trees or giving education to the poor persons, those who are not able to directly involve in that developing of society, means you can contribute your things to the local communities, to the local charities. They are always in need of help. Give me the employment opportunities to give local school plant trees, or work with the city council or business leader having the opportunity to choose where they can able to spend the volunteer effect to develop the local area. If I am not directly involving, means so give some, donate some money to the local charities or local communities or orphanages, or those who are doing these activities. So automatically indirectly you are developing the society, or indirectly you are developing the welfaring of others. So these are all the four types of corporate social responsibility. So social responsibility means individual as well as company having a duty to show your interest to the development of society. Likewise, we have four types of corporate social responsibility are there: philanthropy, environmental conservation, diversity and labor practices, and the last one is volunteerism. So thank you very much students for watching my video.